iPhone Fold. So there are so many designs and concepts out there about the iPhone Fold and how it's going to look like before it's even being produced. So Apple has not released any official reports about the iPhone Fold, but there are rumors that it's going to be released later on together with the iPhone 15 or 16. It's something that is still in the making, but we believe it's going to happen. So I don't know why they've been this late, because Samsung is actually so much ahead on the folding phones together with the Huawei, even Oppo. So this is something that many people have actually been waiting for a very long time, and there's so many concepts which show the possibility of how this iPhone Fold is going to look like. And if these are the designs that Apple is going to go for, then honestly I believe this is going to be one of the best folding phones out there. But still, I'm sure you'll have to dig very deep into your pocket to buy these folding phones. But still, hey, this is the future, and Apple is not going to be left behind. So either way, the iPhone folding phone is going to come, and it's going to be even more futuristic, better display, better design, better camera, and I think everything better, because we know iPhone of always going for the best. So that's been it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Kindly don't forget to like and share, and also hit the subscription button down there. Okay, bye.